Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us, we've got a great American classic, the quintessential American classic, I should say, the 1965 Ford Mustang. I just love the snub noses of the early models. That's a personal taste, but it's mine. So this one is a phenomenal car. This is not your serious collector car. There's a few things that would definitely draw the ire of just a purist. But if you're looking for just a well-built, straight, just cruiser that you can just turn the key and enjoy, I'd look very seriously at this one. One of the things, we'll take a look closer outside in natural light, is that paint is metallic, and that was not metallic was not an option there. But if you love a metallic paint job, it just adds so much more depth and richness to it. Cool style side wheels. It's got a 289. This one originally started out as a 6-cylinder, so it has a crate 289 in it. Automatic transmission. Easy to drive and enjoy. Does have power steering. It's got disc brakes all the way around, so that was smart. When you go up to a crate 289, go to a V8, you might as well give yourself some stopping power, which this has. The interior is correct to the style, but the material, it would be all vinyl. And if you've ever been in a vinyl seat convertible in the summer, you just know, like 5 minutes later and your shirt is just wet through and through with the heat that vinyl generates. So those have the cloth insets, which again, the purists would say, well, that's not correct, and they would be absolutely right. Then again, this doesn't have an original engine. Did have a 6-cylinder, so you might as well add some comfort on your way. So super nice seats, recently restored, very little to no wear. You do have seat belts in all positions. You can take the kids out cruising, or grandkids, or friends, and keep everybody happy with those seat belts. Beautiful dash. Ever since this had the restoration, it's been garage kept, as you can imagine, but no cracks on that dash. That center column is gorgeous. Beautiful wheel, beautiful dash. Your door cards are in excellent shape inside and out. And this is a power top. I'll demonstrate that. So it does have, as you'd imagine, the boot. I'm showing you it does have the boot, so it gives it that really clean finish. No problem cruising without it. It's got a great look. And I just flop it over like that, just so we don't have to re-thread it. I pulled a little hard there. Beautiful top. We'll put that up, take a look. We'll start the car up and have a full listen as well. So I have that photo. It's a really easy latch down. I'm not going to latch down because we're about ready to go for a cruise. We've got a towel that I'm supposed to put in the back, and I forgot to do that, but what the heck, let's do it right now. We'll get that into position. We can show off the trunk as well. Here's a car cover that comes with it. There's their towel. You got a fire extinguisher, matching spare. I've got this well photo documented as well, but what you'd expect to see back here. Down to the cardboard inset. Great floors. I do have under photos. Of the underside. And that just protects the rear glass. Will probably need a little bit of a tuck in. With just me here right now, I can't do the full light demonstration. There's a little bit of it, but brights work, backups, turn signals on both sides. Turn signals even on the dash. Instrument panel lights up as well. So a few other things I noticed underneath the hood. You've got those strut braces for a little bit more stiffening. You saw the AC pump. We do have AC in this car. You have an aluminum radiator, upgraded ignition, electronic ignition. So this truly is just, if you're gonna drive a Mustang, it's had all the nice upgrades. Easy shifts on that transmission. Wheel is nice and tight. Suspension is just rock solid. Just took that little hump, no problem. Of course, with the disc brakes, you've got no grabbing like you would with drums. No problem with reverse. Upgraded floor mats. Unblemished windshield. I mean, this car is just, at every turn, is just impressive. So we just hit 50, rock solid, which Mustangs, as much as I love, most of the time you're in one going about 45 and you just feel like the whole thing's gonna come apart. This does have a aftermarket rack and pinion steering. Probably mentioned that more than once. But I'm gonna park it right here for now. Know that it'll go into the showroom, and so it's gonna be in this exact same condition when you come to pick it up. We just did pass by the airport right there. So we're 2 blocks from an airport. We ship nationwide, worldwide. So this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. You can reach me at 208-721-1973, and we can get this gorgeous Mustang in your garage. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.